My life mission is Mikunani Tumbra Penglian, which means bring most benefit for others. From the standpoint, I'm the way I'm now, passionate and creative hard worker. In 2010, together with my friends, I initiated a leadership community school for children in Mojosongo, a village in the outskirts of Surakarta. Then in 2012, I joined Sahabat Kapas. For 3 years, I dedicated my work to provide assistance to the children in conflict with the law. Joining both, I learned more about how to facilitate the children's needs and promote civic engagement. All of it enables me to evoke people's best potential and connect the gaps within society. Now, I'm currently facilitating people in rural area in Lampung to help them have a healthy life by proper sanitation.
Hi, my name is Nishu. It's a privilege for me to be able to bring benefit for others. I believe in and comprehension is the best fit.